Okay, number 3. So whenever I see a polynomial times a trig function, I pretty much immediately think that I want to use integration by parts. Okay, now how do I choose my u and my dv? Well, I generally like for u to get better when I take the derivative of it, and for dv to get better when I integrate it, or anti-differentiate it. So I think a good choice would be u equals x, dv equals secant squared x. But you shouldn't think that you have to choose the right thing on the first try, because if you choose something and it doesn't work out, you can always just start over and try something else. And the worst thing you can do is just freeze when you see a problem like this on the test. And so let's work this out. Of course, this is just tan. Okay, so our integration by parts formula says this is uv uv minus the integral of v du. Now you should have this memorized, the integral of tangent x, but if you don't, you can figure it out. You write it as sine x over cosine x. Let u equal cosine x. All right. This becomes integral of minus 1 over u du, minus natural log, so value of u plus c, okay. Using properties of logs, this is the same as natural log cosine x to the minus 1, which is the same as natural log secant x. So either one's fine, negative natural log of cosine x or natural log of secant x. So we know our final answer is or so either one of these would have been fine.